Today, we're diving into an exciting all-season SUV tire battle between two heavyweights, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV, launched in 2022, and the newly released Continental AllSeasonContact 2 from 2023. Let's see how these two perform across key categories: wet, snow, dry, comfort, and rolling resistance. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. The tested tire size is a 235/60R18. Starting with wet conditions, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 edges ahead in braking, stopping 1.2 meters shorter than the Michelin. It's also 0.9 seconds slightly quicker in wet handling. However, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV excels in straight-line aquaplaning, managing a higher slip speed of 79.6 km per hour compared to the Continental's 77.5 km per hour. When the snow falls, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV takes the lead, stopping 1 meter shorter and accelerating 0.45 seconds quicker on snow-covered roads. It also finished the snow handling lap nearly a second faster than the Continental. In dry conditions, Michelin again proves its strength with a 2-meter advantage in dry braking. As for dry handling, the two are almost identical, with only a fraction of a second separating their lap times. For comfort, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV scored 7.0 out of 10, slightly higher than the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 at 6.88. In terms of noise, the Michelin recorded 0.5 decibels quieter than the Continental. For rolling resistance, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 showed a lower coefficient value of 6.5 compared to the Michelin coefficient value of 6.9, indicating slightly better fuel efficiency for the Continental. In conclusion, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 SUV excels in dry braking and snow performance, offering better all-around comfort and noise levels. On the other hand, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 delivers solid wet braking and lower rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.